Hello, Arman. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
We are fine. We have proud
Yes.
privilege to introduce and chat with Armandeep Singh. He has
Thank you.
passed December FMG exam with flying colors. He has
Yes,
scored 224 marks in first attempt. So,
yes,
Arman,
sir. Thank you, sir.
I would like to ask you about your journey. You are from Usgrod National Medical University. When you
Yes, sir.
reached Usgrod, how was your journey? How was your reaction about that medical university?
Sir, I was really passionate about this word doctor, and I was really keen to follow this profession in my life. And all the 6 years, I have been dedicated to it, and I've worked hard for it. I will definitely say I have given very a lot of sleepless nights for this profession. Like I wanted this tag in front of my name, and my parents, I promised them, like before going to Ushguro, the abroad studies, I told them like I'll definitely make their dream come true, and I'm really happy that I've done it today.
When you came back to India, I think somewhere in June or July,
Yes, sir. I was back by 20th 18th July.
how was your journey in Mist?
Sir, it was, I would say it was one of the most beautiful experience for me. Yes, it was very hard for myself to control my, every distraction and work dedicatedly towards a goal. But yes, it was really fruitful for me. Like all these 4 months, you shaped me. Like I felt like I have some clinical knowledge. I can see patients. I can, make good diagnosis, correct diagnosis, treat patients now. Like because I had that confidence after studying with MIST. So that
And
was the
Arman, you
main.
were in live online batch. You were not in face-to-face batch. You were in
Yeah,
live
sir.
online batch.
Yes, sir. I was in.
What is your experience about live online Mist classes?
Sir, that's also great. It doesn't feel like it's not a flat teaching. Like it feels like the teacher is interacting with you. They try to motivate you time to time. There are some light periods with some light jokes, and then you continue again with studies. So this mixture is very great for the students.
What
Like
about
they
your
don't get.
queries when you were attending live online classes? Suppose you stuck at some point. Were you able
Yes.
to interact with your teachers properly and they were solving your queries?
Yes, sir. Anytime, like whenever we used to ask our doubts from teachers, they definitely cleared it on time, and there was no problem with communication. There was no communication gap with the teachers. As you people think that on online classes you have some communication gap, or you will not be able to communicate with the teachers. That was not there. We were talking with the teachers constantly. We were getting the guidance from the teachers, and that was really nice. I didn't feel like I was studying online. It was just like I'm in front of my teacher is in front of me and teaching me alone. That was the great experience, like one-to-one interaction. That was really nice.
And what about your, time management? I mean, how did you manage the time? Because we have this thing. A lot of people say that the classes are long. How to revise? And how did you manage your time for that?
So the basically the classes are long. I would not say lies here. Like classes are long, but then you get sufficient time for revising also, because as you told, like you don't have to keep on one page for like you not have to stay on one page for so long time that you're not able to revise on daily basis. So everything that you taught on daily basis, we used to revise them on the same day, and that was the main goal. Like we thought in our mind that yes, if I don't do this today, I don't complete this thing today, I'll not sleep till then. That was your words, and we kept in our mind like yes, if we'll complete it and then only we'll go to sleep, whether it's 3, whether it's 2, or whether it's 4. So that was the main goal, and I think these things these small things make a lot of difference here.
Well,
Being truthful to you.
no, we are very proud of the numbers you have got. I mean, 224 is not an easy feat. I mean, it shows
Yeah.
that you must have done a lot of hard work. But how did you come to know about MIST? And one very important question that after you joined, what
Yes,
is
sir.
that one thing which you felt which makes MIST different than anything else you might have seen?
I have answer to this, sir. I actually, what I felt was, MIST only teaches you things that are required to clear this exam, and there are a lot of stuffs all around us. Like we have very vast medicine is very vast. Like you can study anything what you want, but the thing is, like for clearing this, you should be a targeted, goal targeted person. Like if you're sitting for this MCI exam, you should know that this is important, and you should have belief in yourself. The teachers that are teaching you, this amount of content they are teaching you is enough for you. You should believe in that. And I believed in that, and that was the main thing. Like, you taught us only that amount of things that were required to clear this exam. Nothing much, nothing less. It was really more than sufficient to clear this exam. My marks are an example. Like, this was more than enough, and your words were there, like, this material was that much that you can even score 250. So that these words are still in my mind, like your lines are still fresh in my mind.
अच्छा एक चीज और अरमान, one more thing, like we take a
हाँ जी,
weekly test, right? So what is the importance of,
yeah
because
sir.
this video would be seen by so many who are going to appear in the exam in future. So this is one very
Yes
important
sir.
question, that what is the importance of those weekly tests or the subject wise tests towards the end, or even the mock tests? I mean, how were they helpful?
सर, ये जो टेस्ट आप वीकली बेसिस पे ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं और जो डेली बेसिस पे हमारे टेस्ट होते हैं, इन टेस्ट पे सबसे बेनिफिट ये होता है, यू गेट टू सी मिस्टेक्स, यू गेट टू फिल्टर आउट थिंग्स। जो आप वीक हैं आप उन पे काम कर सकते हैं, और जो आपकी स्ट्रांग है, यू नो दैट इट्स माय स्ट्रांग पॉइंट, आई विल नॉट मेक मिस्टेक इन दिस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड। एंड जहाँ वीकनेस है वो आपको पता लग जाती है, तो वो चीज़ आपकी पेट हो जाती है, और दोनों चीज़ें फिर कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत अच्छा बन जाता है। सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गिव एवरी टेस्ट, डोंट स्किप एनी टेस्ट इवन इफ यू आर prepared or not prepared. This is the most important thing. Like, don't skip any test, even the mock test at the end when you're preparing, like on the final stages. People tend to skip those mock tests, but I think that was really, really beneficial, and that gives you a confidence to go and sit in the exam.
And what about clinical case
Every
discussions?
test is important, I would say. Really,
How
really
did it
important.
help you? Clinical case discussions,
Sir,
revision
clinical,
sessions.
sir, as teachers were teaching us in classes also, they were discussing these they were discussing every topic clinically. So we were a bit oriented about that. And then cherry on the top was the clinical case discussion, particular clinical cases that were very important. And we got through those clinical cases, and that was proper polishing of the topics. And we get a strong hold on those topics. So that was really nice, sir.
And
Clinical
revision
case discussion
sessions.
also
How
helped a
did
lot.
you take revision sessions finally?
So revision sessions have great importance at the end when you feel like you can't revise the whole subject and very fast way. So these revision sessions, short revision sessions of 3 to 4 hours, you can watch them on multiple, like you can watch them on high speed, like because you have already gone through the material once, so that you can revise them very fast. So these revision sessions were very helpful at the end. And if you are going through your notes, that's the best thing. Like, that's the most best thing.
And subject-wise test and discussions, Miss TNDs.
Yes sir, yes sir. Those tests, subject wise tests, you have to manage your time accordingly, because that period of preparation is quite hectic, because you have subject wise test also, and some part of the preparation is also pending. So you have to gear up in that period. And but these tests are very helpful. Like, at the end, when you're going for the final revision, you got to see your mistakes in these tests and discussion. And in those 100 questions, you get all the concepts of the subject. So you don't you don't miss out things at the end, and you get a complete good hold of the subject before going to the exam. So that's where that was also very helpful.
So what Armandeep Singh want to say to future aspirants or your juniors?
Sir, I was frankly telling, I was not very confident on myself. So first thing that I would like to suggest my juniors, my loving juniors, that you should believe in yourself. That is the most important thing. Believe in yourself. You can do it, and you can do it. That's for sure. If you have worked hard for these 6 months, if you have given your dedication, if you're true to yourself, if you're true to your hard work, you'll definitely do it. It's not a it is not very easy, but it's not very hard as well. So just be true to your hard work, and you can achieve it. It's not very tough.
Right. Arman, we would like to congratulate your parents if you can
Def-
invite them here.
definite Definitely, sir. Mom, dad.
Good
Good
evening.
evening. नमस्ते सर, बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ, लख लख बधाइयाँ। बेटे ने कमाल कींदा है, 224 मार्क्स इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट। दिस इज नॉट इजी। उसकी कैसी मेहनत है।
थैंक यू सर, सो नाइस। एंड बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल, he has really worked hard. All these 6 years he was abroad, so we were really concerned about this exam, especially as FMG exam was basically a tough area for us. So all the time we were concerned whether he will qualify or not. So always motivating him, and he had been very consistent in his studies since the school time itself. And we had a belief that he is a hard worker and he is very, very sincere to his studies. So he did it, and the credit goes to you, sir. The final time, the last 6 months, when he was back from abroad. So he's told us that he's going to stay in Delhi itself. So he's going to continue with the coaching. I told him that you can do it from home also. No, Papa, I want a separation so that wherein we can I can get a environment for these studies better way. So this is all basically, I don't know what way he has been motivated by you. I had been doing it for these so many years together, but this last 6 months really motivated him and really molded him well, and he did it and he achieved. Thanks a lot, sir.
Sir, your son stayed in Growth, then he came to Delhi and studied in MIST. This video will be watched by many parents as well. So any message you want to share with fathers, with parents,
Other students.
for their siblings?
Yeah, definitely, sir. Definitely a message from my side would be to the parents to really, you can say, back your children. So any student, any you can say, parent would like that his son or his daughter should be successful in the examination. For that, the first thing is to back their children. So motivate them, back them, let them work hard, and specifically for the children, they should, if they are sincere towards their task, towards their goal, little bit of effort and dedicated effort. So I don't think this is as Arman has told me, Papa, when he appeared for the exam and he came back from the examination hall, he was so satisfied. There's nothing like that which is fearful. You can say कि ना एक जो बड़ा phobia created होता है कि बहुत बड़ा exam है, पता नहीं क्या होगा. So there's nothing like that. When you appear in the examination, you come to know that everything is from the material you have studied it. So the only thing is how you put it into practical things when the time comes. So basically, the advice for parents is to back their children, and they can do it. And for the children, I would rather say they should be continuously working hard and be sincere to the studies and put in your best effort, and they'll be successful.
Sir, ma'am.
Yeah.
Arman, mummy.
हाँ जी सर.
गुड इवनिंग सर.
गुड इवनिंग मैम. गुड इवनिंग. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैंने 6 साल बड़ी मुश्किल निकाले हैं. इसको भेजा हुआ था बाहर, मगर मैंने रो रो के निकाले. आज मेरे को बहुत खुशी हुई है, मेरा बेटा डॉक्टर बन गया.
शेर वाला काम कर दिया. 224 नंबर है. पास नहीं, केवल 224 मार्क्स है. बहुत बहुत बड़ी बात है. ये जो आपने रो रो के निकाले हैं ना, इन सारे आंसुओं का उसने अपनी मेहनत से आपको आज रिजल्ट दिया है, और बहुत अच्छा डॉक्टर वो बन गया है और बनने जा रहा है. आप बच्चों की मम्मियों को क्या कहना चाहेंगे जिनके बच्चे बाहर पढ़ रहे हैं और फिर पढ़ के जो यहाँ पे?
बच्चों को ही कि अच्छे उनको संस्कार दो, जैसे मैं अरमान को दिए थे. इनको कुछ नहीं, मतलब सिर्फ पढ़ाई जहाँ गेम्स वगैरह. वैसे तो ऑलराउंडर है, सब कुछ किया इसने. भंगड़ा किया, बाहर में स्टेज वगैरह सारा संभाला है, मगर ये ऑलराउंडर था. छोटा होता ही जब 5 साल का था तो ऑलराउंडर था, मगर इसने बहुत मेहनत की, इसने अच्छा काम किया. चलो डॉक्टर बन गया, मैं डॉक्टर की माँ बन गई. बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत फर्क है. जो 5 साल में आंसू थे वो थे, और आज जो आंसू है वो बड़ी खुशी के आंसू हैं जो आपकी आंखों में आज. ये बहुत खुशी के आंसू है, और आपको दिल से बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ. और बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय करिए, सेलिब्रेट करिए, और दिल से पूरी मिस टीम की तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत बधाई.
थैंक यू.
बाकी मैं पेरेंट्स को बोलूंगी कि बच्चों को सपोर्ट करें, पढ़ने के लिए बच्चों को सपोर्ट करें, बस मेरा यही है कि जैसे मैंने किया ऐसे ही हर माँ करे तो बच्चा डॉक्टर बनना मुश्किल नहीं है।
जी मैम।
ओके अरमान।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सर।
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. It was great to talk to you. Thank you, sir.
और रुकना नहीं है, अभी आगे बढ़ना है ना।
हाँ जी सर, आगे बढ़ेंगे सर।
ठीक है बेटा, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
बाय बाय अरमान,
यू।
हार्टिएस्ट कांग्रेचुलेशंस वंस अगेन।